Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So with the weather way it is at the moment, that summer's not going to last forever. So thinking ahead, what I've got here is a Karcher drain hose. This works in line with the Karcher Easylock quad thread system. So this is the new type gun that's in the marketplace. This is what you're using. What I've simply done is attach the quick release system on the outlet of the trigger itself. What you've simply done to be able to do this is disconnect your lance. So what you'd simply do is attach your lance to this part here. If you notice, you'll see what that is it's glue, so it automatically seals itself. Once it goes in, it seals itself. Got the quick release, so it means you've got your lance on a quick release. You've then got the drain hose that works the same way on the quick release that goes in. When doing a drain hose, 3 jets backwards, 1 forwards. Always check that drain hose before you put it down the drain. Just give the trigger a quick pull to make sure that it is working correctly. You've got your 3 jets backward, 1 forwards. If you notice, we use the cuff. The cuff stays in your hand, shows your measurement how far you're going down, but it also cleans that hose you're pulling it back out of the job. That jet can be taken out. Always remember, if you get a blockage inside there, it's travelled down from this side. Always keep this side clean when it's not being used so no dirt gets in. These nozzles are very fine, so always make certain, like I say, test it before you put it down. But if you ever come to clean it out, put a little needle, not a big drill, a little needle in to clean it through and rinse it through. That's a proper rubber hose with braid, metal wire. So as you're using it, what you've simply got is that flexibility. It can do that. If you're going down a drain, obviously met the machine. If you come to a blockage or a stoppage, just pull the trigger to make it surge. Jip, 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 to try and push it through that blockage. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and this is for the Easylock system, the new quad thread, quick release. The gun doesn't come part of the deal. That fitting and the hose itself available in 10s, 20s and 30 metres, even 40 if you wanted to, if you've got the machine to drive it. But really you wanted to move to a bigger, thicker hose if you're going above 30 metres. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.